Old Goa law had to pay the solitary. Okay, we have got our members who have stayed for quite a long time over here. It's been almost 8 days now. Okay, we'll have a few words with them. Anna, would you speak some words? Kit mudba sadita at them revoke kolo license. What you have to say after this 8 days of struggle and before that also? It's been months and months.
I would like to tell the people that the government is playing a game with us. पहिले म्हणटा आपण काहीच नको मागीर आतां म्हणटा इलिगल आनी ते उपरांत रिवोकेशन करता. अरे आमी पर्पज आमचे कित्याक हिंगा बसल्या आमी बिकॉज ऑफ डेमोलिशन. ते आमकां पिपिरमेट दिलेले भाशेन जाता आमकां. तूं गे बाबा रडो नाका हें हा म्हणून तूं. Does it make any sense? Stop order दिवन रिवोक करून does it show any sense in this? आमी इतले आतां बुकेन आनी वोतान आमी बसल्या हे गव्हर्मेंटाक मात कोणी सुचरे दिसना, लॉजूय दिसना. प्रत्येक वेळार लोकांक रस्त्यार हाडपाक हे फकत आमकां एक आय वॉश गोवन जा की बाबा आपणें हें केलें, तुमी रडो नाका आतां रिवोकेशन केलें म्हणून. पूण आमी इतल्यान आमी पिशी न्हय हांगा बसल्या ती. आमी जे मेरेन ते मोडसर आमी रावतली, जे मेरेन हे मोडना आमी हांगाच बसतली.
तूं आतां एक नीज गोंयकारा भाशेन हिंगा आहा, तूं दुसऱ्या नीज गोंयकारा कितें सांगूंक सोदिता? वॉट इज युअर मेसेज फ्रॉम हियर?
पळय आमी हे तुमकां लागून आमी हे वाटावंक सोदता, तुमचे फुडले जनरेशनाक लागून. तर हांव मागता सगळे गोंयकारा कडेन की तुमचे घरा भुरगीं आसतलीं तर तुमी कितें सांगतले तांकां? अशें नश्ट करूंक दितले? तुमी एक एग्जाम्पल तुमी फुडें सरोन तुमचे हे सांबाळूंक जाय दायज हे आमचे गोंयचे. फाल्यां तुमी प्लास्टीक मुर्त्यो करून दाखयतले तुमच्या भुरग्यांक की बाबा ही इमारत हिंगा आसली, हे से गोल्ड हिंगा आसली म्हणून मुर्त्यो करून दाखयतले की तुमी एक बाजार दाखयतले बाबा हिंगा काजिनो आहा, हिंगा फ्लोटींग कॉटेजीस आसा. हे तुमी दाखोवंक एग्जाम्पल सेट करता तर गोंयकारांनो उठात तुमी आनी योत आनी सपोर्ट करा आमकां हे बरें करपाक.
What would you say? I have been seeing you from quite a long time, from the time it started, the Old Goa agitation.
It's the 8th day, and being a senior citizen, I'm feeling ashamed to say I'm sitting here, not that I have no work or I have no family, but because my government is corrupt, total corrupt, that's why he has brought us here in this rain and this hot sun. Because the government is corrupt, this BJP, China, she got permission to construct this illegal construction over there. It is not her only this. If the government had not supported her, she would have not been able. Because now we poor people of Goa, even little small things we have to construct, even one small wall of a half meter, we have to take the permission, and that also, if they say come today, come tomorrow, and our things are not done. And why she, being a BJP spokesperson, she got the permission to do this illegality. And as a Goan, I am here. And they say, where you all were for such a long time? Our process was on for this last nearly 1 year. Not that we were, but legalities take time. And because it was illegal, they took more time because they wanted to give a gap to finish that. And not only that, during the pandemic, our government has put this section 144, and he has done a lot of illegalities, not only this. And what he has done that time, section 144, and then meanwhile she has done her.
So what is your demand to the government?
My demand now to the government is now no study, no this, that, what is that, stop notice and all that. My kind and humble request was CM is just to demolish the construction and finish the matter before 3rd, because now all Goans, young and old, all are aware and all are coming towards here. And it will turn worse. It will turn worse to worse. So by 3rd, my humble request to demolish this construction, this illegal construction. My humble request. Thank you.
Auntie, तू कित मोडो सोदिता? तू कित मोडो सोदिता? तू आतां 8 दीस जाले हिंगा किता? तुगे डिमांड किता आहा गव्हर्मेंटा कडेन? सांग तुगे गव्हर्मेंटाक कितें डिमांड आहा? तुका गव्हर्मेंटाक कितें डिमांड आहा?
आमकां जाय इतलेंच आमच्या गोंयच्या सायबाचें मोडलोलें तें घर तेजें आमकां ते इनलिगल रेट तेणी बांदलां ते आमकां नाका आमकां मोडलें जाय देव बरें कर.
What would you speak? What is your
Fasting members have already spoken what has to be spoken. And finally our demand is same. Remove this illegal structure, clear the place, restore it to its original state and preserve it as a heritage place.
Zarina, speak few words for us.
This whole thing is a big sham affair, and unnecessarily all people are brought into the street. The government is defunct and the opposition is disappeared. So people of Goa, think wisely and flush out every debris from the assembly. They don't deserve to govern us. Not one of them. Send everybody home. Get new faces.
Sahabita, what would you speak?
See, I want to tell the government now that you all have realized, better late than never, you all have realized that whatever you all have done is illegal. You all have already revoked the license. Now the next step is forward an application for demolition. That's it. Government is of the people, for the people and by the people. I want to remind the government this.
Aruna, Maria, could you give me 2 words? What do you think and what is your demand?
We need that structure to be demolished. That's the demand. And all the culprits to be brought. All of them, including the MLAs and the officials. That is the need of the hour. Otherwise, we will have to keep on coming back on the streets every day.
What is your appeal to the people who are knees going car?
Knees going car. I am a knees going car. I have started coming out. And I don't know why others shouldn't. We are always here to welcome you to join hands and fight this menace unitedly. I appeal to everybody. You need to come out. Otherwise, going सांभाळून जावचें ना. इतले लोकां कडेन सगळ्यांनी येवपाक जाय.
Thank you. Aruna madam, what is your demand and what it's been 8 days now. What you have a say on this? It's Sangos.
My sisters and brothers are sitting on a hunger strike and this has been the 8th day. So the government is taking everybody for a ride. The Panchayat no doubt has issued and revoked some orders and they have show cause notice and all that. But they should go as per the procedure very fast because it has been too late for the Panchayat that they have, after completion of the entire palace of China and Sea, now they are putting a stop order. Stop order for what? Stop order should have been, it should have been some 4 months back. But now they should carry out the procedure. They should be doing, the BDOs, the officer who should be doing, along with the secretaries and the directorate of Panchayat, they should act very fast and they have to do Panchanama and do the, because you all are being paid at the taxpayers' money. And all this while you all have violated the rules and regulations and have given permission. So at least now when the entire Goa is on roads and entire Goa is talking about this issue, in order to take care and in order to protect the heritage and the World Heritage Site of Old Goa, which is very close to each and every Goan's heart. So I request that demolition should be done very fast and government should not test the people of Goa. Thank you.
It's been 8 दीस जालो हाय आतां तुमी हिंगा हाय. ओके तुमगे कित मोडोवपा? What is your demand? तुगे डिमांड कितें आहा गव्हर्मेंटा कडेन?
Basically demolition of the illegal structure because जर न्ही पळयता आमी केन्ना आमची पर्सनल गोंयकार आमी लायसन्स मागता तेन्ना ओके म्हणटा दे हॅव गिवन फेक डॉक्युमेंट्स okay, but can you trust this also because each and every government department basically they come for site inspection before issuing the license, right? So if that is the case, how are the licenses issued? First question. Secondly, now the license, the Archaeological Survey of India gave them repair license, repair license of that particular structure. Now the structure that is come, everyone is aware, everyone can see, nobody is blind. So completely reconstruction, and that too by increasing the. So there is nothing. It's a violation of all the this licenses, whatever was given. Also, although the licenses themselves were wrong, so it has to be demolished.
Any of our MLAs who have stood in solitary when this?
Not that I've seen. Basically, it's better not to, politically also, it's better not to just go into it, because now since the elections are approaching, everyone wants to take advantage of that also. So in a way, it's better that we go and fight for it rather than making it a political issue. You know, all the politics are involved because the granting of these licenses were politically involved, motivated, as you can make out. You know, the way the licenses were granted and the way it's done, the way even the construction is carried out, it's like they're showing we have got manpower, we have got money force, financial others, because the way the work is done so fast, and although there were objections, still the work was carried out. It's like, okay, we take you for granted, you know.
Your final demand is to demolish.
Demolish the illegal structure.